Hi there, students. Nebulous. Okay, nebulous is an adjective. It means vague, badly defined, not clear, cloudy, hazy. Let's see, nebulous, this comes from a nebula. A nebula is a cloud of gas or dust in interstellar space. Yeah? Or you could also use a nebula to talk about a galaxy, but that's not technical. A nebula is like a gas cloud or a dust cloud in the middle of space. Yeah? But we use this adjective nebulous to mean something that is not clear. Yeah, so his explanation was very nebulous. Yeah, it wasn't well defined, it was rather vague. He gave nebulous assurances that he would help us in the future, but he didn't define them, he didn't nail them down. Yeah, so he gave nebulous reasons, but it really wasn't clear what he meant or what he was saying. And this is the idea of the nebulous. Not clear, having no specific form. This essay is very nebulous, and it doesn't really say anything definitively, nothing definite. He has a few nebulous ideas about what he wants to do in the future, but it's very vague. It lacks any real form or planning. Okay, so nebulous, and that's the idea of nebulous. Yeah, this plan is too ambiguous, too cryptic, too enigmatic. It doesn't define things properly. It's very nebulous. Okay, I don't want any more nebulous thinking. I want you to think clearly about the things that are important. He made some nebulous references to people he knew, but he didn't name names or say their position or tell us what that they could do for us. I think very often the law is very nebulous. It tries to be clear and defined, but there are so many laws that that's what makes it start to become nebulous, hazy, not clearly defined. Yeah, it's like they're vapors. The guidelines to what we should do were very nebulous. My boss's instructions were very nebulous. The teacher gave a very nebulous explanation, and I hope this explanation is absolutely crystal clear, not nebulous, because that's the idea. Okay, so nebulous, it comes from a nebula, a cloud of dust or gas in the middle of interstellar space. And then let's see, nebulous. How formal is this? I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I think informally I might say hazy, foggy, unclear, something like that. And then as to origin, well, there's a Latin word, nebulosus, meaning foggy or cloudy, and that goes back to Proto-Indo-European, nebos, a cloud, vapor, fog. Yeah, and that's also a cognate of the Greek word nephos, a cloud as well. Okay, so it's to do with clouds. Yeah, it's cloudy. You can't really see through it. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nebulous.